Hello, guys. Hello, hello. How is everyone doing? And you see, I have my little Autumn Rain with me. She's such a pretty girl. So, and this, in case those who don't know, this is Toby. This is her puppy dog. I gave it to her. So, that's Toby. My husband got him for me, oh my, a year ago? Maybe 2 years. I was in the hospital and he got him for me. So, yeah, that's Toby. So I'm going to set him aside. And I'm going to be changing Autumn Marine back into her outfit she came in because I absolutely love it. I think it's adorable. And she's holding her teething rattle, even though it doesn't rattle. She got that in her box opening. So, anyway, we're going to change Autumn Marine. And before I start, I want to say that I'm so overwhelmed and thankful um, that you all subscribed to my channel. I was so happy last night. I looked up my channel and seen that I have 58 subscribers. Thank you all so much. And welcome. And I hope you decide to stay. Um, if I do want to say, if I make it to 100 subs, I'm going to do a giveaway. So, uh, we'll see if it gets to 100 subs. Keep watching, and um, if I make it to that number, we'll be doing a giveaway. So anyway, let's get started on changing Miss Autumn Rain. I'm gonna put her in the pink outfit she came in, and the bonnet. Well, if you've seen the box opening, you know what came. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Let me pause y'all and grab her a pair of socks. Going to her beauty. Anyway, I'm back, guys. So let's get started. Like I said, I hope everyone's staying safe and well. I got to buy Autumn some diapers and a onesie. None of mine fit. And I would put her in a Christmas outfit, but I don't have any more. I put all my Christmas outfits on my babies already. So, yeah, but that's okay. I didn't have anything for Theme Thursday yesterday either. Last night, my husband and I went out. We went to have dinner, and then we went to see Christmas lights again. Tonight, we're gonna go Christmas shopping. Because Christmas is upon us, guys, and I haven't even started yet. Yeah, so I need to get on the on the ball here, as they say. I would like to ask though if anyone knows about Miss Holly, any information on her. I haven't seen any videos from her, and I'm wondering if she's okay. Hope all is well with her. I want to know if she sees this video that I'm thinking of her. Hope all is well. I know I could have put something else on her, but I wanted to put her outfit back on. I don't know. I just like it. And I'm not sure if pink is a Christmas color or not. Um, I did a video of my Christmas decorations on the inside last few minutes ago, and I'll be posting those. But like I said, if I reach 100 subs, I'm halfway there. Come here, baby. Oh my goodness. Uh, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I haven't figured out how yet. I know it's not a baby. No, it's not a baby. But I'll give away an outfit or something. And I'm trying to get out some Christmas cards before Christmas. um, but my post is really crazy right now. I don't know. I mean, I ordered some stamps last week. I still haven't received them. So, I think she looks so pretty in this outfit. She's such a pretty girl. Yes, her is. Her mama's sweetheart. And I wanted to say congratulations to Miss Becca on her new cuddle baby. Oh my goodness, he is adorable. She's so pretty. He's so pretty. Yeah. My husband and I are planning a trip before the end of this month. Okay, baby. Uh, I'm sorry, guys. My phone's blowing up. Anyway, like I said, we're planning a trip to Branson, Missouri, and I may take a baby. So if I take the baby, I'll be doing videos. I should have brushed your hair before I put that on, baby girl. I'll give her hair a quick brush. I'm so excited about my subs. When I started this, I did not think I would get any at all, guys. I really didn't. I'm just stunned at how many I do have. I'm so happy that y'all decided to stay. Thank you so much. Y'all are just awesome. And I will try to make my videos as entertaining as possible. Trying to hurry because I think my husband's trying to get a hold of me and I'm doing a video. Oh well. Mommy busy, ain't on it. Yeah, mommy busy. I'm sorry about the Santa Claus going off. You might hear that in the video. Alright, guys. There he is. There he is. We'll put this basket clip back on. There's my little autumn rain. I'm gonna go, so I think my husband's trying to get a hold of me. Oops, there she is. And y'all have a wonderful and blessed weekend, and stay safe. And thank you again for subbing to my channel. I hope you decide to stay. Have a Merry Christmas and be blessed. Christmas how it has. Bye bye.